They have given two equations. We are going to reduce them into a pair of linear equations and solve them. We have 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4. Then the second equation they have given is 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equal to 2. So we are going to assume that let 1 by x plus y equal to a. 1 by x minus y, we are going to substitute b instead of that. So we will get 10. Instead of 1 by x plus y, we are going to have a plus 2b equal to 4. This is going to be our first equation, and 15a minus 5b equal to minus 2. This is going to be our second equation. Now we are going to solve these two equations and find the value of a and b. So to have common coefficients, I am going to multiply the first equation by 5 and the second equation by 2 to get 10 in both the places. First equation into 5 will give 50a plus 10b equal to 20. Second equation into 2 will give 30a minus 10b equal to minus 4. Since the symbols are different, we are just going to add. When you add, you will get 80a is equal to 16. So a value is going to be 16 divided by 80. 1 time 5 times. So a value is 1 by 5. Substituting this in any one of the equations, we are going to get b value. Now we have 10a plus 2b equal to 4. 10 into your a value is 1 by 5 plus 2b equal to 4. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 2b equal to 4. Taking this 2 to the other side, we will have 2b is equal to 4 minus 2. So 2b is equal to 2. That implies b equal to 1. Now we have found a value and b value. We are going to substitute. When you substitute, we get 1 by x plus y equal to your a value. A value is 1 by 5. Since the numerators are same, denominators also will be equal. So we get x plus y equal to 5. Keep this as equation 3. Then the second one, we have 1 by x minus y equal to 1. That is 1 by 1. Since the numerators are equal, denominators also will be equal. Then we have x minus y equal to 1. Keep this as equation 4. Solving equation 3 and 4, we are going to get the values of x and y. So when you add those two equations, we have x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1. When you add them, this will get cancelled. We will get 2x is equal to 6. That will give you result x is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Now we have found x value. Substituting in any one of the equations, we have x plus y equal to 5. 3 plus y equal to 5. So y is going to be, when you take this 3 to the other side, it is going to be 5 minus 3, that is 2. Now we have found both the values, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2.